Thanks for joining us. We're excited to walk you through the Oklahoma Joe's Highland Smoker and Longhorn Smoker Easy Assembly. Let's get started. You'll need the following tools for today's assembly. As we start, make sure you have someone to help you at certain points. The smoker is heavy and needs a second person for lifting and moving. Next, pick a suitable location to work. Open the carton and slit the corners so that the carton lays flat. This will give you a protective surface during assembly. Remove the carton packing material and the parts from inside the firebox and smoke chamber. On each short leg, slide one 12mm flat washer onto the axle, followed by a wheel, then another 12mm flat washer. Slide a hitch pin into the hole at the end of the axle. With one person on each end, roll the smoke chamber onto the cardboard with the leg posts pointing up. Slide the short legs onto the posts on the right or firebox side of the smoke chamber with the wheels facing outward. Slide the long legs onto the posts at the opposite or smokestack end. Secure each leg to a leg post by screwing one 1-inch hex bolt through the leg until it reaches the leg post. Don't fully tighten the bolts until the smoker is turned back over. With your helper holding the bottom shelf, attach it to the legs using 4 1-inch hex head bolts. Fully tighten these 4 bolts. Make sure that leg bolts are tight enough so that the legs won't slip off of the posts. With the assistance of your helper, roll the unit over and stand it up onto its legs. Fully tighten the 4 leg bolts against the leg posts. Use 4 1/2-inch screws and 4 flange nuts to attach the warming plate to the lid of the firebox. Tighten securely. Connect the firebox top and bottom using 4 1/2-inch hex bolts and flange nuts. Tighten securely. With the help of your assistant, connect the firebox and smoke chamber with 8 1-inch hex head bolts, lock washers, and hex nuts. Tighten. Attach the handles to both lids using 4 screws and 4 nuts for each handle. Tighten securely. Attach the smokestack to the end of the smoke chamber by sliding it into the mounting bracket. While holding the smokestack straight up, insert and tighten a 1-inch hex head bolt. Then slide the handle towel bar into the brackets welded to the smoke chamber. Install 2 1/2-inch hex washer head bolts into the ends of the handle and tighten them securely. Attach the front shelf to the smoke chamber by sliding the ends of the shelf frame into the brackets on the front of it. Next, thread the temperature gauge into the bushing located on the cooking chamber lid. Adjust the gauge so it's aligned correctly, then tighten the lock nut using an adjustable wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten as you could damage your gauge. Place 2 of the charcoal grates in the bottom of the smoke chamber and 1 in the bottom of the firebox. Set the cooking grates over them. Alright, you have finished assembling your Highland and Longhorn smokers. Go to Oklahoma Joe's for recipe inspiration and more.